Looking to remodel your dream kitchen? Cabinet Select is here to help you every step of the way. With professional designs and easy-to-follow installation instructions, you'll be building your kitchen like a pro. Better yet, you'll save on high-quality cabinets that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Sure, you can find other cabinet discounts, but at Cabinet Select, we partner with you from start to finish, ensuring that your dream kitchen becomes a reality. We offer dozens of cabinet lines and colors that never go out of style and allow you to create an upscale custom look at discount prices. Don't sacrifice elegance and quality for price. Unlike cheap particle board used in other discounted cabinets, our durable, solid wood cabinets are built as functional as they are beautiful. Enjoy features like full overlay doors, dovetail drawers, and soft close technology. To get you started, we offer a free kitchen design consultation. We'll even schedule a virtual call so you can see products firsthand. Your cabinets will arrive ready to assemble, but don't worry. If you need help along the way, you can reach out to our customer service team by phone, email, or online chat. Anybody can sell cabinets, but at Cabinet Select, we'll help you create the kitchen that you've always wanted at a price that you can afford. Give us a call today.